Hey there, Nina. This is Alexis with Webling's Web Design, and this is going to be a short video for you that's going to give you 3 options for you to get ranked high in Google to bring in more customers for your business. This is a free plan of attack, so you can do with what you want, or you can call me and we can set up a chat so we can do more and we can get started with a plan. But today I want to keep it short and sweet. This is going to be 3 steps. First one's going to be about your content. The second one's going to be about citations, and the third is going to be about backlinks. So let's get in here and get started. So first I want to start with content. Your page content right here is wonderful, but Google likes to see about 1,500 words on that front page, and you have about 200 to 300. So we're going to want to get in there and get more content for your page, about 1,500. And on those second pages, they like to see about 250 to 500 words, so just get some more in there. The second thing Google likes to see is pictures being saved properly and as keywords. So if we go in here and see if we can get a picture to save for us. Save as. You're going to see here. Oh, that's perfect actually. Let's make sure all of these photos in here are saved correctly. And this one's going to want to be changed to plumbing before or plumbing after, things like that. Just so that keyword is in that photo, that's going to get you ranked up higher in Google as well. So those are the 2 things you can do in your site that's going to get you ranked above your competitor. The second thing I want to talk to you about today is this map pack on Google here. This is going to do with your citations. Citation meaning your name, your number, and your address all on a credible site. So I'm not seeing your name up here. So what we can do to improve that is we go to this here, it's called White Spark, and it's showing that you have 44 citations, but your competitors have 90 more than you do. And what this thing does is it goes and it shows you all these opportunities that you have that your competitors already have, and you can go in here and you can go to this page and you're going to get your citation on that, your name, your number, and your address on that website. That way you can get all of those citations that your competitors have, and you're always going to want to get more than that just to rank above them as well. And that's the pretty simple part about citations, just getting more and more. And the third thing I want to speak to you about is this, it's called Ahrefs, and it's going to show you all the backlinks. It's showing that you have 21 backlinks on 9 different referring domains, meaning those 21 links are all on 9 different web pages. So most of them have multiple. And this is going to build your strength and your trust in Google. Right now you have 0 trust right now in Google. So what we can do to bring you in more backlinks, the simple way, is to go to one of your competitors, which is Anytime Plumber. And we can see here that they have 85 backlinks, which on 16 referring domains, and their trust and their strength is higher. So we're going to go in here just like we did on that citations, and we're going to want to go in here and we're going to get all these that you don't have, so that we can outrank them. And you're always going to want to get more as well. But you can go in here with all your competitors and see that this DR number, the higher this is, the higher the trusted link is in Google, because none of the links are created equally. It depends on the trust of that website. So these links here show you the trust that it's giving your site. And the higher this number is, the higher the trust is. So you're going to want to go in here and get all these high numbers first. And you can do that for all of your competitors as well. You just want to get in there and get all those links. I do have to say the White Spark runs about $40 a month, and the Ahrefs is about $99 a month starting. Those are the 2 cheapest options for you. But those are the 3 things you can do for your business today to get you higher ranking in Google. So with that being said, if you like the tricks that I have up my sleeve and you want to see more, please feel free to contact us at 765-639-9289, and I will happily speak with you and get a plan started so we can get going on this But this is free, all free information. So if you don't want to call me back, just take all this information and use it. That is perfectly fine with me as well. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.